Hello everyone, this is Swapnil Dattavyas. First of all, I would like to thanks to Legal Owners team for providing me opportunity to speak on the topic of reservation scheme under Right of Person with Disability Act 2016. मैं आपको सेक्शन 31 टू 37 के मेन पॉइंट्स के बारे में बताऊंगा, जिसमें रिजर्वेशन स्कीम्स के बारे में बताया गया है. Person with benchmark disability means specified disability which is not less than 40%. In case of not measurement, it will be measured by the certified authority. सेक्शन 31 जो कि फ्री एजुकेशन से रिलेटेड है. पर्सन विद बेंचमार्क डिसेबिलिटी यदि 18 ईयर एज कंप्लीट नहीं होती तब तक फ्री एजुकेशन विल बी प्रोवाइडेड टू देम. सेक्शन 32 जो कि हायर एजुकेशन में रिजर्वेशन से रिलेटेड है. 5% रिजर्वेशन विल बी प्रोवाइडेड टू अ पर्सन विद बेंचमार्क डिसेबिलिटी. सेक्शन 33 जो कि आइडेंटिफिकेशन ऑफ पोस्ट से रिलेटेड है, इन विच गवर्नमेंट फॉर्म अ कमेटी फॉर identification of the post for reservation and review it time by time. Section 34 which is related to the reservation for the benchmark disability person, in which disability means dumb, blindness, locomotor disability, intellectual disability. इसमें 4% reservation will provide to this kind of disability person. Section 35 which is related to the reservation in private sector. 5% reservation will be provided to person with benchmark disability in private sector. Section 36 which is related to the employment exchange, in which whatever the vacancy related information comes out, notification give to the person with benchmark disability by the government. Section 37 which is related to the schemes and development program, in which 5% reservation given to the person with benchmark disability in respect of allotment of land, agriculture, elevation of proper poverty with preference to the women's, and for allotment of the land in respect of occupation, enterprise creation and production center. तो ये सब रिजर्वेशन से रिलेटेड प्रोविजंस थे under the section 31 to 37. Thank you very much.